Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today for another trading day using my HA trigger, and today's date is November the 19th. Did 4 trades as you can see down at the bottom. Not looking for a lot of pips. My goal is every day I'm trading that I would like to get at least 50 or more pips. Not sure if I got it. But 40 to 50 pips is still very acceptable. It's a little bit of a slower day and a lot of sideways movement, but there are trading days as such. So let's see where I got in at this Euro New Zealand. Drag and drop it up. See how it goes. Did go against me. Should have got out over here or here. But I was hoping for it to drop much lower, which never did happen. So I took the trade around 7:30 this morning. Did go against me. Looks like about 24 pips. And I finally decided just to close out the trade. Looks like with 10 pips. And 10 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $690. Okay, the next pair is the Euro Aussie. Let's run a check on it with my HA trigger system. Drag and drop it up. This one here was a great way to trade. I knew it was going to give me some pips, and I was hoping it was going to break the top and keep going up. So got in at this cursor here. Did go against me of about 12 pips. And I closed it out, looks like with 14 pips. And of course 14 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $1,017. Remember, you don't need a lot of pips, but if you can get 10 or 20 pips, and of course if it goes a lot more than just 10 or 20, that's a nice little bonus for the day. Moving right along to the pound yen. Let's run a check on this one. This one was not a great way to trade. Remember, the way I look at it is there's 3 ways of trading. Either pullbacks, then around the goal line, and then complete reversals. So this is all 3 of them, just depending on when you get in the trade. Remember, with the HA trigger, it's simple. When it's blue, we're buying, and red, we're selling. And it's important to set up everything down at the bottom that is looking good just prior to pulling the trigger. So on this pound yen, let's just drag and drop it up. Now in this situation, getting in would have been way best at this red candle, but I didn't see it at that time as I was scanning the market looking for trades. But once I saw it around the goal line, and everything looked good down at the bottom, so that was a good to go. My stop is up there. Let's see, it was only about 16 pip stop, and I ended up looks like getting 12 pips on this one. I know I could have got more here and here, but as I said, I'm not greedy. Remember what I said, 10 or 20 pips. It's good for me, and it should be good for you. 12 pips on the pound yen paid $1,153. Remember, once you get good at trading, then just have a certain pip total. Once you get it, close the trade. I used to do just one trade and spend hours, trying to manage it. It's either going sideways or going against me. That's why I like to do 2 or more trades. The most I've done was, I believe it was around 8 trades I had running. But I'm very comfortable with around 4 or 5. Easy to manage, not that difficult. And make sure you're going in the direction of what the HA trigger or any trigger system is telling you. And as you can clearly see, there's nothing here telling you to buy, so that means we're selling. Everything on the charts, as I said, was indicating a sell, including the meter. As you can see, the pound is much further down than the yen, which is at the top. So it's a combination of both of these that is pushing it down. Very simple, and the meter tells you which ones are the best ones to trade. So let's run a check on this pound CAD. Let's take a look at it, the last trade. Just drag and drop it up. It's exactly the same thing. Remember what I said? If you're doing anything way at the top up here, this will be just a pullback. Then you got to monitor what's going on around here. Put the cursor there. It was very, very clear, including the meter. Same thing. Pound, CAD, sell. Could have waited just for a wee bit of a pullback to the goal line, but sometimes, you know, you just get a little impatient. Took this trade at 8:40 in the morning and completed the trade at, let's see, 8:40 to 9:40. It was roughly an hour, and I closed it out, looks like with 18 pips, and 18 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,374. So as far as pip total went today, I got my 50 pips. I did get 54 pips, and 54 pips ended up paying me $4,235. As I said, generally as a rule, if I can get 50 pips a day, that's my goal. I'm very happy with that. And I'm very happy using this HA trigger. It makes trading quite easy. My other Pro trigger, this one here, I really like it also. But as you can see running through here, you see how you get blue candles. And sometimes right at this point, right here, you might be tricked into buying. But when you're using, what time was that? 8 o'clock this morning. And by the way, I'm using the GCI Financial MT4 platform. And what I really like about it is right at the right hand edge, the last candle, that says 11:30, and it's 11:35 right at the moment. So this lines up perfectly for New York time or the Eastern Standard Time Zone. I like another fact about it that being from Canada, I can open up an account with Canadian funds, and a super bonus is that they do pay interest every month on your account. Even with the bonus money, they pay you 4% per year, which I believe works out to 0.33%. They give you interest and a lot more than what the banks are paying. So I think that's a little bit of an incentive for the owners of GCI to pay interest, because they know the banks are only paying, you're lucky to get 0.1% or whatever it is. It's very, very low. And if they can pay more interest than what the banks are, then it's a no-brainer as to know where you should put your money, even if it's just for collecting interest. So remember, see this blue candle and this one right here. When you go back to the HA trigger, you see everything is red all the way down to here. So you stay in a trade until you get a blue candle, but remember, bit of a pullback, and then of course it can still give you some more pips. So that was a great day of trading, more than 50 pips, and I'm very happy. And of course, if your system is not putting a big smile on your face, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below the video here. You'll see my contact information, and the write-up is right here. It's the HA trigger system. Do charge $250 for it. It is an advanced Heikin-Ashi trigger system, which has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 8 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. It on a daily basis guides me to which currency pairs that I should be trading. It also comes with a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, which is what you need to find success in the trading world. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and that's why I teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My #1 way of trading is a great way to trade. It's not this one. This was just a pullback and then trading around the goal line, which is, I teach all of that. Now in all the videos, or most of them, I'll give a lot of advanced training and tips and tricks. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries, how to stay in the trade for more pips, teach how to trade at the right hand edge. That's where every trader has troubles, right at the right hand edge. Well, at least 95%. And remember, 95% of traders are losing. I also teach how to trade higher time frames, and also how to trade, obviously, the HA trigger version #2. Now in all the videos you will see many great trade setups. I also teach how to back test the HA trigger, which I still do every weekend, up to roughly 8 hours every weekend. You in one 8-hour sitting, or 4 hours on a Saturday, 4 hours on a Sunday, you can back test at least 6 months of trading, which will speed up your learning curve. Remember to use the built-in tester that is within the MT4 platform. I also teach how to scan the market and how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. I also teach how to trade pullbacks, which is exactly what this is, and once it breaks through the goal line, I call that a reversal, which I also teach. And also teach how to trade around the goal line. Here, here, and here, and here. There's always trading opportunities around the goal line. I also teach how to trade the news and how to trade with a day job. In other words, you don't have to quit your day job. There's always a lot of pips and money to be made within the London and or the Asian, and you can still go to your day job. So if you have any questions at all about the HA trigger or the GCI platform, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype, and I made it easy for you. Just click on this link, and then we'll have a connection through Skype. Even if you don't have Skype installed, you can use the web version, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session and answer all your questions. Now, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and all you got to do is click on this link and you'll see 28 screenshots. And remember, with that Skype session, that is 100% totally free, no obligations. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would certainly appreciate that, and it encourages me to continue to do these videos. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.